This carpenter went way too far and honestly deserves to be studied by NASA. He had no idea how to join those wooden pieces. And after racking his brain trying to figure it out, a genius idea finally hit him. He grabbed a few clamps, yes. Those simple clamps nobody expects to work for something like this, and turned them into the perfect tool to make a wooden joint that seemed impossible. The result? A technique so smart, so out of the box, it instantly leveled up his woodworking skills. One of those solutions that makes you say, "Why didn't I think of this before?"